Hi, my name is Neil from Energy Entertainments. Let's learn some tricks on a dragon staff, rolling down the leg. The key to this trick is to line up the center weight of your dragon staff to the center of your thigh. So when you're rolling, just make sure you're rolling down your arms. Line the center of the dragon staff up with the center of your quads or thigh. Once you get that, obviously practice standing on one leg. If you can't stand on one leg, the trick's not very good to do. Just row down into this and flick it up. The key is to get that row exactly where you want it, and as soon as it hits the base of your foot, you want the center of the dragon staff being in the center of your foot. As soon as it hits that, just give it a flick and catch it back up and row where you are. Thanks for watching, guys. It's a tricky one, so practice a lot. If you want to learn more tricks about dragon staff or any flow activity, give us a subscribe, give us a like, make a comment, and I'll be in touch.